Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one Python program. In algebraic expressions, the symbols for multiplication is often left out, as in 3x plus 4y or 3 of x plus 5. So computers prefer those expressions to include the multiplication symbol, like 3x plus 4y means 3 asterisk x plus 4 asterisk y. That means this is the multiplication symbol. And 3 of x plus 5 is expressed as 3 asterisk and into x plus 5. So write a program that asks the user for an algebraic expression and then insert multiplication symbols where appropriate. So for example, 3x plus 4y, that means 3 into x plus 4 into y. That means here we are going to insert multiplication symbols. Similarly, 3 of x plus 5. In this 3 into x plus 5, that means here we are going to append asterisk. So now we can see how I can solve this problem. S equals to, we are going to take input. For example, in this case we are going to take this as a input. 3 into x plus 5. So that is stored in S. That means this is the S. So starting is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the S. So L equals to list of S. Why I converted the string into list means S is immutable. That means we cannot change the contents in S. So I convert the contents in the S into list. List is mutable. So I convert this string S into list. So now what is here? L equals to, it becomes 3 bracket x plus 5 bracket. That's it. In this indexes, this is the 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Result, I am going to store the output in this result, and I am taking I equals to 0. The initial value of I is 0. Here I am using while loop. I value 0 less than length of L. What is the length of L here? 6. So if L of I, if L of I equals to bracket. So why? So if you observe that how we can do that. So for example, I am taking 3x plus 4y. How we are doing the manually? So 3. So 3 is a digit. So we write the 3. And next x. X is a alphabet. So you are going to print preceding with multiplication. That means if it is the alphabet, the condition is if it is the alphabet. So I print asterisk x. Next plus. So plus is not a alphabet. So I can print directly. Next 4 is not alphabet. I can print directly. Next y. So y is a alphabet. So I can print y preceding with asterisk y. So that is the output. In the similar way, here 3 into x plus 5. What we are doing? The 3 is not a alphabet, so I can print directly. The next one is bracket. If it is the bracket, it is print preceding with asterisk, and we can print up to closing bracket. That means if you identify the starting bracket, then obviously you can identify the ending bracket also. Now you can identify this ending bracket and you can place this string into here, x plus 5. That's it. So now we can see that. So that means every time you are going to check either it is bracket. In this case it is not bracket. So we go to here, else if. L of I is alpha. So L of I means L of 0. It is alphabet? No. So go to here. So result, I can write the result here. Result equals to result plus L of I. Initially it is empty. What is the L of I? 3. So 3 is in result. And we complete this. So we go to here. So I equals to I plus 1. That means now I value is 1. 1 less than 6, true. So enter into the block. What is the L of 1? Bracket. It is true. So enter into this block. So first I identify the index of closing bracket. So what we are doing here, if there is an opening, if it is open bracket, then we can identify the closing bracket. Now similarly, so index equals to L dot index of closing bracket. What is the closing bracket index? 5. That means index equals to 5. Next, S2. So this is the string to store this. How I can store? I can start from L of I value. That means I equals to 1 to index plus 5. That means 6. This is the L. So L of 1 to 6. So 1 to 6 means 1 to 5. So already discussed about the slicing. So 1 to 6 means 6 minus 1, 5. That means from here to here. You are going to append to S2. That means S2 equals to bracket x plus 5 bracket. So by using the join, you can treat this as a string. And result equals to result plus asterisk. What is the result? 3. 3 asterisk S2. What is the S2? X plus 5. And increment the I by length of S2. What is the length of S2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the I value already? 1. 1 plus 5, 6. In next iteration, 6 less than 6, false. So then we go to here and print result. What is in the result? 3 into x plus 5. 3 into x plus 5. So now we see another input. 3x plus 4y is the S. S equals to 3x plus 4y. So L equals to list. That means L equals to 3 comma x comma plus comma 4 comma y. The indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So result for to store the result, initial I equals to 0, 0 less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of the L is 5. It is true. So enter into this. If L of I, what is the L of I? 3. 3 equals to bracket? No. Then go to here. So L of I 3 is alphabet? No. Go to here. Then result equals to result plus L of I. That means the result equals to, initially the result is empty. So for empty we are going to add 3 here. That's it. And I is incremented by 1. So I becomes 1. Now what is the L of I? L of I is x. X equals to bracket? No. Go to here. X is alpha. Yes, x is alphabet. So enter to here. Result equals to result plus. So 3 plus asterisk plus L of I. What is the L of I? X. If you combine, you get asterisk x. And increment the I by 1. That means now the I value becomes 2. Next iteration, 2 less than 5, true. Go to here. What is the 2? Plus. Plus equals to C? No. Plus is alphabet? No. Go to here. Result equals to result plus L of I. What is the L of I? Plus. So the result plus. That's it. Next iteration, I equals to I plus 1. So I equals to 3. 3 less than 5, true. Go to here. L of 3 means 4. 4 equals to C? No. 4 is alphabet? No. Go to here. Result equals to result plus L of I. That means 4 here. I plus plus. That means it becomes 4. 4 less than 5? True. That means L of 4, y. Y equals to bracket? No. It is false. Go to here. So y is alphabet? Yes, y is a alphabet. So it returns, what is the result? So 3 into x plus 4 plus asterisk plus L of I. L of I means y. And all together you are storing into result. So it becomes asterisk y. I equals to I plus 1. That means now 4 becomes 5. 5 less than 5, false. So the last instruction you are going to execute is print result. What is in the result? 3 into x plus 4 into y. So this is the result. So now you see the execution of the program. 3x plus 4y. 3 into x plus 4y. 3 of x plus 5. So 3 into x plus 5.